Yeah, good evening, girls. Good evening, Deepthi.
Yes, ma'am.
No, that was just for a formality. I just started the meeting. Yeah. Yes, students. So we're almost done with the ratio and proportion. So today is revision of this chapter, ratio and proportion. Open your book. Give the heading, revision. Name of the chapter, ratio and proportion. Write the date. Revision. Chapter, ratio and proportion. Take the table closer to you. Sit comfortably.
On the heading should be revision, right?
Yeah, this is the first question. Yes, take down the question. You give the number 1, children. Don't go by the numbers in the presentation here. So you start with 1. It is not question number 8 for you, just 1. So serial number, you follow it, okay? Don't get confused with the number in the presentation here. Yeah. So the question is, the second, third, and fourth terms of a proportion are 30, 60, and 45 respectively. Find the first term. Find the first term. So how do we answer this question? I'll just get you started and then you will tell me how to finish it. Okay. So, okay, write down the question. Deepthi, finish writing the question.
I'm almost understanding.
Yeah, finish and let me know. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. All right. So we know that in a proportion, there are 4 terms. A proportion has 4 terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. What are the first and fourth terms called? Extremes. Very good. Extremes. Okay. What are the second and third terms called? Deepthi?
On the middle terms.
Huh?
On the middle terms.
They call them means. Yeah, the middle terms or the means. Okay, the first and fourth terms are called the extremes, and the second and third terms are called the means. All right, so here you need to find the first term. So of the 4 terms, 3 terms are given to you. You need of 4 terms, 3 terms are given to you. You need to find that missing term, the first term. So you start like this. Let the first term. Let the first term be X. Okay, now it's given that the numbers are in proportion. So we know that the first term X is to the second term 30 is as to the third term 60 is to the fourth term 45, because this is how we write a proportion. How do you write how do you express the numbers in a proportion? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. first term is to the second term is as to the third term is to the fourth term. First term is to the second term is as to the third term is to the fourth term. So we don't know the first term, so let's call it x. So x is to 13 is as to 60 is to 45. So now how do you work this? So see here, 4 is to 5 is nothing but 4 by 5. 4, see, is 2 is nothing but division. Okay, is 2 is nothing but division. So 4 is to 5 is nothing but 4 by 5. Similarly, x is to 30 can be written as x by 30. Is 2 can be written as equal to. Is 2 can be written as equal to. Then 60 is to 45 can be written as 60 by 45. 60 by 45. Now, have I told you how to cross multiply? I have, right? Okay, so how do we cross multiply? See here, multiply these two numbers. So x into 45 is equal to, multiply these two, 30 into 60. 30 into 60. Is this understood? X into 45 is equal to 30 into 60. So now x will be equal to, tell me. Just guess. Sorry. Now guess meaning what will be the next step? X will be equal to, see here. Now you need to, you need to find x, right? But what is along with x here? Into 45. When you transpose it, that is when you take it to the other side, it will become divided by 45. You know that multiplication and division are opposite operations. Addition and subtraction are opposite operations. Now you want to find the value of x. You want to write x is equal to, but along with x there is into 45. So you take it to the other side. You send it to the other side because you want to find the value of x. But along with x there is into 45. So what you do, x is equal to, write whatever is here. Write whatever is here, 13 to 60 as it is. Now this into 45, you send it to the other side. So into 45 will become divided by 45 because multiplication and division are opposite operations. So it becomes by divided by 45. Am I clear? Okay. So now we can simplify. Take one number from the numerator, take one number from the denominator and simplify. So you can use the tables of 5, 5, 6 are 30, 5, 9s are 45. Correct? Again, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, correct? Then, are you following this, children? Then 3 1s are 3, 3 20 times 60, 320 times 60. So x is equal to, what is remaining? 2 into 20, 40. X is equal to 40. Therefore, the first term is equal to 40. Understood? We'll also do it in a different method, means slightly different method using the rule of proportion. First, take down this.
I'm done.
Yeah, write down, Deepti. Let me know if you have any questions.
Yes, I have finished.
Yeah, now give me the paper. When I'm free, I'll just go through that. Yeah, no, not the assignment. Okay. We'll do these sums in the class now. I'll give it to you. Finish writing? All right. Done? Okay. Done, Deepthi? Okay. The alternate method. Okay, so here also we start like this. Let the first term be x. And then the step is also the same. X is to 30 is as to 60 is to 45. Now, what do you know in a proportion? Product of means is equal to product of extremes. So you see, you'll just not get one step from here. That's all. Okay. So x is to 30 is as to 60 is to 45. All right. Now we know that WKT means we know that. Okay. Short for W, we know that. We know that product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of means. So what's the product of extremes? X into 45. Correct? Extremes. Product of extremes, meaning product means multiplication. Extremes, x into 45 is equal to product of means 30 into 60. So you don't, this step you're not getting, you're getting this step straight away. See, 1 minute. So that means we are not getting this step. So directly this step. But you need to write this. We know that product of extremes is equal to product of means. So then you get this one. And then it's the same. You need to find x. X is equal to, but there is somebody along with x into 45. You need to take it to the other side. Only then you can find x. So for that, what you need to do, x is equal to write whatever is here. Okay. Write whatever is here. On the RHS, there's already 30 into 60. You must write that first. Somebody's already there. No, write them first. Then you take whoever you want to the other side. The preference will be like to the people who are already there. Okay, not the newcomers. So like that. So x is equal to 30 into 60 is already there in the RHS. So give preference to that, right? That first. Now who wants to travel to the RHS? Into 45 wants to go to the RHS. But it's multiplication here, so it will go for division. So it will be here, divided by 45 like this. Then you have to simplify. See, you can also use the tables of 15 directly. 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 16, 3 1s are 3 10s are. So any tables. Now, children, do we understand how to simplify? Sure. No, I just want to confirm that 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. You need to take a number from one number from the numerator and one number from the denominator, right? You need to take one number from the numerator and one number from the denominator. So supposing we take 45 and 60. You need to simplify them using the same multiplication table. So supposing 15. 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60. Now this is one step, it's over. Now you again have to consider two different numbers. One step is this over. Now, if you want to simplify, again, you should take another number from the numerator and a number from the denominator. So supposing you take 30 and 3, 3 and 30. 3 ones are 3 tens are. Over, finished. If you want to simplify, again, you should take one number from the numerator and another number from the denominator. So now this is over, so it's 40. Therefore, the first term is 40. All right? Yeah. Right hand side. First term is 40. Right hand side. Left hand side. Equal to sign. On the left side of the equal to sign is the left hand side. On the right side of the equal to sign is the right hand side. You're right on the alternate method also?
Mom, I actually have a doubt.
Yeah.
Mom, I didn't understand what the difference between the alternate method and the method we have done first.
In the alternate method, we have used the method of cross multiplying. We have cross multiplied. We have not used this rule, product of extremes is equal to product of means. The procedure will look similar, but the idea with which you have executed your answer is different. That's all. The procedure will look similar. The steps are almost the same, but the idea in which you have executed the steps is different. In the first method, the idea is cross multiplication. In the first method, here in this method, the idea is cross multiplying. Cross multiplying. Whereas in the second one, we are not cross multiplying. We are using the rule of proportion. Product of means is equal to product of extremes.
Yes, Mom. So we do not do cross multiplying in the alternate method.
Yeah, correct.
Mom, so if there's an exam or something, which method would be most likely to use?
Both are correct, but if you because you're beginners, you can go with the both are correct actually. Maybe if you want a preference, you can use this method.
Yes.
The alternate method may be preferred because we are using the rule of proportion. Product of means is equal to product of extremes.
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, write on both the methods. Writing. Oh my God. Okay, done, Deepthi. Okay. Yeah. So determine if the following ratios form a proportion or not.
Mom,
All
this
right.
will be the second question, right?
Yeah.
Mom, this will be the second question, right?
Yeah, this is second question. Yeah. So the heading is determine if the following ratios form a proportion or not. All right. Yeah, we'll try all four. Just a second, children. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah, the first one. Are we ready? Yes. So here the numbers are not, see, they are not in proportion. You have to check if they are in proportion. We have two ratios. You'll have to check if the ratios are in proportion. What do we have? We have one ratio 2:3. We have another ratio 4:5. We need to check if these two ratios are in proportion. So what do you need to do for that? Ah, the ratio is the same. Okay, correct? Okay, fine. What about you? So how do we do the first one? So let's take 2:3 and 4:5. 2:3, 4:5. Answer. Like, this is not ratio here. 2:3 is equal to 2/3. 4:5 is equal to 4/5. Clearly, 2/3 is not equal to 4/5. Therefore, 2:3 and 4:5 do not form a proportion. Correct, children? No, you have some question? Write down. No, not needed. Next, 6 kgs is to 48 kgs is equal to 6 kg by 48 kg. So kilograms gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6 eights are. So how do you conclude? How do you conclude? What's the answer? Clearly 25 grams, yeah. Is equal to 6 kgs is to 48 kgs. Therefore, they are in proportion. Very good. Yeah, that's also enough. Therefore, they are in proportion. That's also fine. Because in both, you're getting the same ratio 1 by 8. 1 by 8, so they are in proportion. Yeah, presentation can slightly vary. That's okay. Portions. Sorry? What's the third chapter you're mentioning? Integers. Oh, little of integers. Okay, okay. What is happening in your school? What chapters have been covered in school so far? Factors and multiples. Nothing much.
All I was going to unmute so I can say our M was finished.
Oh.
I accidentally hit the wrong button in the tab.
Disable your mic, Deepthi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Get your classworks, okay? Sometime, like maybe next class, you can get your classwork to school. I'm sorry, get your school classwork to the class here. I'll just have a look. All right. Next one. 440 meters. Correct. So in this ratio itself, we have different units. So you cannot simplify that as it is. We have meter and kilometer in the same ratio. Correct? So what should you write? So first we'll take up 440 meters and 2 kilometers. So we need to convert kilometers to meters. So 1 meter is 100 kilometers. Sorry, 1000. 1 kilometer. Okay, so 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Therefore, 2 kilometers will be 2000. 2 and 2000, 2000 meters. So now we have to find 440 is meters. What did you find? 440 meters is to 2000 meters we have to find. That is equal to 440 meters by 2000 meters. Meter cancels. Yeah, 0. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. And then which tables? 4. What about 4? 4. 4 how many times 44? 11 times. 4 11 times. Denominator is 50, correct. Denominator is 50. Can we simplify further? No. So it is 11 by 50. Correct? Do the next one and let me know if it's in proportion.
I'm done. May I tell the answer? Ma'am?
Yeah, just a minute, Deepti.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Deepti, I'm just coming. Just a minute. Yes, Deepti. I was around in the classroom. Yes. You finished this?
I tell the answer?
Yeah, tell me for the second one.
Yes, ma'am. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 3 meters will equal to 300 centimeters.
Okay.
55 centimeters is to 300 centimeters equals to 55 by 300. 300 by 5 table, 300 becomes 60 and 55 becomes 11, which equals to 11 by 60. And clearly 11 by 50 is not equal to 11 by 60. Thus, they are not in proportion.
Very good. Very, very good. All you got that, children? 11 by 60, so it's not in proportion, correct? Correct? Very good. So clearly, 11 by 50 is not equal to 11 by 60. That's okay. That's what I'm saying. No, that's not incorrect. That's fine. Yes. Therefore, they're not in proportion. Yeah. The fourth one. Try it all by yourself. I'm not helping you. Thousand. Only 1,000. Done, Neeti, the last one. Your class finished?
No, one will almost understand.
Okay. All right.
evening, ma'am. I've been these for today's class. Open blessing. Thank you.
Finished? Yes. Yes, darling. They are in proportion. What's the ratio you're getting in both the cases? 1/50. Okay. Are you all getting the same thing? You haven't completed? Louder, talk loudly. You're getting a different ratio. You're also getting a different ratio. Okay, fine. Let's see the. What about you, Deepthi?
I'm still solving it now.
200, 2.5, 450. Okay, 4 rupees and 50 rupees. Let me ask you, Satakshi. Rupees what? 5 and 4 and 50. Oh, yeah. Tell me, Satakshi. Just read out what you have in your book. You don't have to explain anything. 200 ml is to 2.5 liters. So what's the first step? 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. You forgot. 25 liters you wrote, is it? Oh, okay. 2.5 that is. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So therefore, 2.5 liters will be equal to 2.5 into 1000. And how much is that? It will be 25123 zeros. But you need to place a decimal point here, right? So it will be 2500 milliliters. It's 2. You also. All of you took it as 25. It's 2.5. Deepthi, did you take the answer question correctly? 25
Yes,
or 2? Yeah.
200 ml is to 2.5 liter and rupees 50. Sorry, rupees 4 is to rupees 50.
Yeah, correct. Corrected all of you then. Not Deepthi, of course. The others here. Two zeros gets cancelled. So it's 2/25. So here we don't have to convert anything because they're in the same unit. Yeah, they are in proportion. Very good.
Mom, are there another set of questions?
Yes. Yeah, Deepthi?
Mom, are there more questions?
Yeah, that's all under this heading.
Yes.
Understood,
Mom,
children?
other questions in ratio and proportion division?
Yeah, we have few more. Yes. Done all of you? No, I'll wait for you. Yes, please complete it. Yeah. Here's the next question. All right. So as of now, these four numbers are not in proportion. 54, 71, 75, 99, they are not in proportion. Now the question is, what number should be subtracted from all these four numbers? Like for example, supposing we subtract 2 from all the numbers. So 54 minus 2, 52. 71 minus 2, 69. 75 minus 2, 73. 99 minus 2, 97. So the question is, what is that number which is to be subtracted from all these numbers? The same number, not different numbers from these numbers. What is that one number which is to be subtracted from all these numbers, so that when you subtract, what you get is called the remainder, right? When you see, when you say 54 minus 2, what is 54 minus 2? The remainder is 52. The answer you get on subtracting two numbers is called the remainder. That is what the question is. So that the remainders may be proportional. It's remainders, not remainder. It's remainder. So that the remainders, S, put an S there. So that the remainders may be proportional. So it is clearly given that these four numbers are not in proportion. What is that number which is to be subtracted from all these four numbers, so that the remainders, so because on subtracting the four new numbers you get are remainders. After you subtract, see, like supposing 54 minus 2, 71 minus 2, 75 minus 2, 99 minus 2. Okay, 69, 73, 97. These are the remainders. These are the remainders. So what is the number that is to be subtracted from these four numbers, so that the remainders are proportional? So that the remainders are proportional. All right. Okay. Don't write. Listen to me. Let the number to be subtracted. Let the number to be subtracted be x. All right. Okay. So what will be the remainder? So now what is given? When you subtract, then the remainders are proportional, right? So that means according to the question, 54 minus x is to 71 minus x is as to 75 minus x is to 99 minus x. Correct, no? Correct? Sorry? No, don't write now. Don't write. This is understood? Now I subtracted x from all the four numbers. Now these four, the remainders are proportional. So I've written it as a proportion. Now we know that product of extremes is equal to product of means. So what do you get? We know that product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product means. All right. So what is the product of extremes? 54 minus x multiplied by 99 minus x, correct? When you don't put any sign, okay, or let me put a multiplication sign. If you don't show any sign, it means it's multiplication. When you don't show any sign, it means it is multiplication. 54 minus x into 99 minus x is equal to 71 minus x into 75 minus x, correct? All right. Okay. Now, how do we proceed? How do we proceed? Now, you need to multiply these two brackets. This is new to you. Listen to me carefully. Okay, this is new to you. We need to multiply these two brackets and multiply these two brackets. Write the first number 54. All right. And then multiply it with the second bracket 99 minus x. Multiply means don't put any sign. 54 open and close bracket 99 minus x. That means you're multiplying. All right. Okay. Then write the second term minus x. See 54 we wrote. Then the second term is minus x. Write that. And put the second bracket again. So in the first bracket, what do you have? 54 minus x, right? See here 54 minus x. Can you see that? And then you should multiply that with the second bracket 99 minus x. 99 minus x. Because we have to multiply every term. See, the first term has to be multiplied with everything. The second term also must be multiplied with everything. That's how we multiply brackets like this. That is, you will learn the technical terms next year. So now now they're called binomials. So I don't want to use those terms now. Just take it like this. Is equal to. Now tell me, using the same rhythm, how will you write it here? You must write 71, right? Then open bracket and write 75 minus x. Correct? Then minus x into 75 minus x. Now I want you all to multiply these numbers and keep this ready. Keep these products ready, all of you. All of you multiply 54 and 9, rough work, okay? Rough work. Then multiply 71 and 75. Keep these answers. Take down, yeah, take down till here. Please take down the answer till here. We have not completed. Take down till here and then have the products ready.
Ma'am?
Yes, Deepthi, please give me 2 minutes. I'll come.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 second. Just a second.
Ma'am, can I tell the answers?
Yes, Deepthi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. For 54 into 99, the answer is 5,346.
5,346. Okay, correct.
And for 71 multiplied by 75, it's 5,325.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct, Deepthi. Yeah. Have you completed the answer till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. All right, now we'll continue. I'll tell you how to proceed. Please stop writing. Now we need to multiply 54 and 99, 54 and minus x. Okay, what is 54 into 99? What's the product? 5,000. What's the answer, Deepthi?
Ma'am, for 54 into 9, right?
Yeah.
1 minute. I'll just take my calculation page. Yes, ma'am. 54 into 99 is 5,346.
Yeah. So write that first. 54 into 99 is 5,346. Then 54 into minus x. 54 into minus x. Okay, so how do we do this? 54 into minus x. What sign does 54 carry? Plus, right? 54 has a plus. 54 means plus 54. 54 means plus 54. So what is plus into minus? Now we don't know. Okay, so plus into minus, I'll tell you. Once we do integers, we'll understand this better. Okay, so 54 plus into minus is minus. Different signs, it is minus. Same signs, plus. Different signs, minus into plus. I'll give you the rules later. I'll write the rules for you later.
Very confusing.
Sorry?
This is very confusing.
What is confusing?
Ma'am, the like minus into plus and multiplication.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah, no. I'll tell you. The rules I'll tell you. So plus into minus, when you're multiplying, you need to multiply the signs and then the numbers and the expressions. So plus into minus is minus, and 54 into x is 54x. You can just make a note of this chart later. I'll show you this chart later. Multiplication, how do you multiply signs? So plus into plus is plus. Minus into minus is also plus. Same signs, when you multiply same signs, it is plus. When you multiply different signs, it is minus. When you multiply different signs, it is minus. Different signs. Different signs. When you multiply different signs, it is minus. When you multiply same signs, when you multiply same signs, it is plus. All right. Now here we are multiplying. See, when you have to multiply 54 and minus x, you should first multiply the signs. Plus into minus, different signs you're multiplying, so it's minus. And 54 into x is 54x. So that's the first term. I'm sorry, that's the second term, minus 54x. Now we need to multiply minus x and this one, 99. What is minus x into 99? Yeah. Minus 54x. That's what. That's a product. No, we have not still got the answer. We haven't still got the answer. I'll tell you. So now what is minus x into 99? Minus into plus is minus. Why plus I'm saying? Because 99 has a plus sign. 99 has a positive sign. See, when you just say 99, it is positive, right? Simply 99 means plus 99. That's why I'm saying plus. 99, before 99, there is no sign, but it's plus. So plus into minus is minus. 99 into x is 99x. Okay, so minus x into 99 is minus 99x. And when you multiply these two, what is it? Minus x into minus x. Minus x into minus x. So minus x into minus x, minus into minus plus. And x into x is x squared. X into x is x squared. Again, equal to, what's the product? 71 into 75?
Ma'am, it's 5,325.
325.
25.
Okay. Now what is 71 into minus x? It's very easy. 71 into minus x. Minus 3. Okay, so 71 into minus x. No. 71 into x is 71x. And 70, the signs when you multiply, it's plus 71 and minus here. Plus into minus, minus 71x. Let me finish the answer and tell you once again. And again here, when you multiply these two, you get minus 75x. Let's finish it. I'll work it again for you. And when you multiply these two, you get plus x squared. I'll complete the answer and I'll work this part alone for you. Please take it down now, because I have other plans for the class, for the rest of the class, meaning from 7 to 7:45. So maybe we'll just have this for Monday. I'll take some time, like we'll start off in the beginning itself. I'll explain integers to you. And then if I explain this, you should be able to understand better. Because this is somewhere towards the end, right? NCRT. So we have integers and all that before that. I'll do it on Monday, don't worry. Write on the complete the answer now, that's all. Finish writing till here? So here you must cancel the x square and x square. X square and, sorry. This one is minus, sorry, I wrote plus. This is minus children. X square minus x square, this is. By mistake, I wrote plus. Okay, x square minus, so this x square and minus x square will get cancelled, strike it out. X square minus x square gets cancelled, strike it out. Okay, then you will get minus 7x. After that, it is minus 7x is equal to 25, 35, 45, so 21, minus 21, minus 21. Minus and minus gets cancelled on both the sides. X is equal to 21 by 7. X is equal to 3. No, sit there. Come inside. Turn on the first two switches. The bottom row. Yeah. Yeah. Another one for the fan. No, there itself. You turned on the two switches? Okay, fine. So now. All right. So I said, now you have it with you. Now I have to explain a few things before we can really understand this. So I'll not, meaning even I will not be satisfied explaining it to you. So let me tell you about integers and how to multiply, binomials like this, and then I'll explain this. Anyways, you have not learned ratio and proportion in school so far. So don't worry about it. So we'll do it later. You have the answer with you. Yes. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. This is the next question. Finish writing, Deepthi? Okay. This is the next question, children. Take down. If 66 is to 72 is asked to x is to 96, find the value of x. Taking the question? Yeah. So now if it is given like this, what do you understand? If it's given like this, that means it is in proportion, because how is it given? 66 is to 72 is as to x is to 96. That means it is in proportion. That is why it's given in this form. If it is given like this, it means that the four numbers are in proportion. It's given in that form, right? 66 is to 72 is as to x is to 96. Correct? So what is the rule? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. But now which one to write first? Do you want to write product of extremes first or product of means first? Wherever the missing value is there, no, that one you write first. Where's the missing value x? Is it in the means or extremes? Means. So write product of means first. Write product of means first. You understand? Okay. Okay. Answer. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Product of extremes. So what's the product of means, Deepti? What is the product of means, Deepti? Yeah, class? Product of means? (72) into x, correct? You want to say something else, Tanya? Okay, 72 into x, correct. And Tanya, extremes, product of extremes? Into 96, very good. Now you want to find, no, look at the board. You want to find the value of x, but who's along with x? 72. You don't want 72 with x. You want to take 72 to the other side. Okay, but there is somebody already on the other side. Write them first. X is equal to, right? There's somebody already on the other side. Write them first. Then the 72 is in multiplication. So it will go for division to the other side. Okay, divided by 72. Now simplify using the tables of 12. No, you should know higher tables also. 12 tables. 12 6 are 72. 12 8s are 96. 6 1s are 6. 6 11s are 66. So x is equal to 88. X is equal to 88. X is equal to 88. Done, children? Okay. Deepti? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you completed this one, Deepti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take on the first question. Can we also write?
Ma'am, can we know the work?
Fill in the blanks. Yeah.
To directly write the answer.
No. You'll have to show the working.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll do the first one. The rest you have to complete it. I'll just show you the procedure. You already know it, but let's just do it once again. So the first one, children, how do you do the first one? See, all these are in proportion. All these are in proportion. How do you know that they are in proportion? Because it's given, see here, 25:1 meter is equal to. So it is in proportion. If it is given like this, see, this equal to can be replaced with is as to also. That means these are in proportion. All these are in proportion. Everything is in proportion. That is why they have given in this format. See how it is given. 200 ml is to dash is equal to rupees 4 is to rupees 50. They are in proportion. So how do you work it? You should work it using the rule product of means is equal to product of extremes. All right. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. You should use that to answer this question. Now, which one to write first? You want to write product of means first or product of extremes first? See where the missing value is. Huh? Yeah. So in the first one, the mean value is missing. So write product of means is equal to product of extremes. In the second one, extreme is missing. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. In the third one, means. So product of means is equal to product. Wherever is the missing value, write that first. Yeah. So I'll do maybe the. Okay, in this one, I don't want you to do. I don't want you to do this one for now. Okay. I don't want you to get confused. So sixth one. The question is correct, but don't do it now. Okay. So let me do the say the third one. Okay. Okay, the ninth one. I'll do the ninth one. I'll just show you the ninth one. Okay. So we know that product of what should I write first? Extremes first. So I'll just write in short because I don't have space here. So product of extremes is equal to product of means, correct? Product of extremes is equal to product of means, correct? So what's the product of extremes? In the ninth one, 45 into x. You call it x, y, z, whatever you want, is equal to product of means. What's the product of means? 60 into 12. 60 into 12, correct? This is the first step. Then, so first we'll have to write product of extremes, whatever. Extremes is equal to product of means, or product of means is equal to product of extremes. And then write whatever it is below that. And after that, x is equal to, write all this, x is equal to 60 into 12. Now you have to transpose 45. So that will come for division here. Now simplify. 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 3 1s are 3 4s are. So x is equal to 16. So the answer here, this dash is 16 hours. This answer is 16. Whatever is the unit in this ratio, same thing, hours. Whatever is the unit in this, not this unit. This is one ratio. This is another ratio. In this ratio, whatever is the unit, hours. Don't get confused. This is kilometers here in this ratio. Here it is. So the answer is 16 hours. Can you do this, children? Take down all these questions. Oh, I cleared it. Take down all these questions. Also take down every question, but don't work the sixth one. No. Take down all the questions.
Am I not supposed to do the sixth one? Ma'am?
No. Yes, sorry, Deepti. Yes.
Ma'am, we're supposed to do six. We're not supposed to do the sixth one?
No, you can do it, but the unit there, I don't want you to get confused working by yourself. I thought we'll do it in the class on Monday. But if you want to try it, you can try it.
Yes, ma'am. This is homework. Should we do it in class itself?
No, you take
Yes,
down the
ma'am.
questions. Yeah, see. You take down the questions. I'll let you know what you should do. Quickly take down all the questions.
I'm just asking that the first one, it's supposed to be 4,000 rupees, right?
The first one is 4,000. Huh?
I'm not sure. I'm asking you because I solved it, so I'm not so sure if it's.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, rupees 4,000. Correct. Take down all the questions. I'll give you the further instructions. First, you complete writing all the questions. Done writing all the questions? Okay. Sorry. Yes, yes, Satakshi. Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah. Blessy, yeah, please wait outside, Blessy. You can take a chair and sit down. Take a chair and sit down. Finished? Yeah. Yeah. I want you to take down the first 5 here. The first 5. 1 second, just a second. Yeah. The first 5. Take down the first 5.
And the first one is homework.
Yeah, Deepti?
And the first 5 is homework.
No. We are going to do it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And how it is, then why it is how the 6th one?
No, I'm giving, see, I want you people to try the first 5. I'm just giving an example as to how to work them.
Yes, and then what about the ones that you gave before, like the dash ones?
Yeah, I'll give you the instructions. I'm about to tell you that. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Take down the questions and let me know. Can I have the paper or should I give it to you now? You need to give it to your teacher in school? Okay. I'll just take a photo then. Yeah, you can take down that. Yes. Quickly take down the exam. Yeah, you can take down the example that I've come. Yes. Actually. Yeah. So understood the example, children. Here the question is, state whether the statements given below are true or false. Okay. All right. Okay. So how do you check if they're true or false? You need to work it like this. Correct? There's another way of working also. What do you think is the other way? Products, yeah, because it's given like in proportion, right? It's given in proportion. So you can also write it like this. You can also work it like product of means is equal to, what's the product of means? For the sixth one, 17 to 75. 17 to 75. So that is 75 to 35, 3 carried over. 7, 7, the 49, 52, 5250. What is the product of extremes? 35 into 150. So 35 into 150, I'm using the calculator, is also 5250. 5250. Therefore, it's true. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Therefore, it is true. Therefore, true. I want you to work it like this and like this for every sum. For every sum here, I want you all to work it in both the methods. You understand the two methods? You can use this first method you see here, product of means, find product of means, find the product of extremes. If you get the same answer, then they are in proportion. So true. If you're getting different answers, then false. Or you can also do it like this. You can also do it like this. I want you to do it in both the methods. All right. So now this is what you want to do for the next half an hour. Your class is till 7:45. So for the next half an hour, you're going to complete this work. And I've also given you an example. So it's not that you're going to sit without having an idea as to how to do the answers. You know how to do it. I've given you one example for this one, right? So you're sure you can finish all these? And here also I've given you one example. Here also. Now, so you don't have to finish everything in half an hour. Just keep yourself occupied for half an hour. How much ever you can, you complete here now in the class. The rest you can, the rest I'll let you know. On WhatsApp, I'll give you the instructions as to what you'll have to do. Try to complete as much as possible. You can do whichever you want first. You can do these 5 first and then these. That's your choice. You got that? Okay, it's getting late for my next class. All right, children? Got it? Okay. Deepti, understood? Deepti?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, have you taken the question?
Ma'am,
You want to take
I couldn't hear you for the past 5 minutes. So I've been trying to call you, but my mic is like stuck.
No, it's getting late for my next class. You can take a screenshot if you have not written the questions.
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah. So please work how much ever possible for the next half an hour. All right?
Ma'am, we're supposed to like solve all the answers, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, for both of them?
Sorry?
Ma'am, for both of them, the state with the statements given below are true and false, and the dash one you have given.
Correct. Complete as much possible for the next half an hour. That is till 7:45. Your class is till 7:45. So please work till 7:45 and then you can, like wind up with maths and continue whatever you want to do. The offline students will be here in the class. And sorry?
Ma'am, I'm supposed to be in class and do it?
No, because I have to start the next meeting. I'll have to end this online session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you will be continuing. You will be continuing to. You can leave the meeting. Yes.
Yes, we're supposed to finish this by Monday, right?
Monday. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
All
And
right.
as I told, I'll finish that 1 to 8 questions by Friday, ma'am.
Yeah. You mentioned
Yes.
that. Yes, no problem. Take it. Yeah.
Ma'am, you have sent those pictures on WhatsApp, right?
No, I think no, I don't know. I'm I'm due to start the next meeting. Text me. I'll inform you, Deepti. I don't know. I have to think. Yeah. Thank you, Deepti. You may leave the call. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.